Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is indeed your girl Varushka Katokele. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping back by. If you are a new Sabi, hi, welcome to the family. And if you are just here to lure and trap, please just press the red button and do the right thing. Just press the red button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And also, before we get into this video, I would like to thank every single person that has subscribed. Like 135 subscribers, bruh. 135 people found me interesting enough to press the red button. So I'm very grateful with regards to that. I am going to have to do a giveaway once we reach 200, but I'm going to have to do a double giveaway, which means I'm going to have to do two, because 100 plus the 200 now. Because one thing about us, from now onwards, we are pushing, we're operating in Mr. Jesse Q's voice. We are in operation right now. So I'll have that giveaway because I need to celebrate and be thankful for the fact that I have reached 100 subscribers. That is a lot for me. Yeah, because I'm legit doing this thing because I enjoy it. Yeah. One thing about me, I will now already vouch and say this is the worst year of my 24 years on planet Earth. I hate this year. This year can end already. I have seen enough. I have had enough. I was supposed to know already. Here come nonsense, and I wanted to say the other word, but here come nonsense. And I tested positive for COVID in December, on the 12th or the 13th of December. I'm not sure. Yeah, I tested positive for COVID. That, like, if I'm being honest, I really didn't have symptoms, so I can't really say like no, that was a nonsense time. But mentally it was very nonsensey, because when I found out, I was just like, yo, will I die? What? I was so nervous and whatnot. And also, just because my dad tested positive like 2 weeks prior or a week prior, so I was like, and I saw what my dad was going through, because my dad had the symptoms the worst. Hey, so I was just going through that. But one thing about my immune system, it said, Betuna, I've got you. One thing about my ancestors, they said, we have aligned, and make sure that you will go through this one very smooth, because you really don't have time to be in pain and whatnot. And also, for everyone that is going through corona right now, or that has gone through it or lost anyone through it, not okay, let me first go with the people that has tested positive or that is now in recovery with regards to COVID. Listen, hang in there. You are loved. Switch your phone off. Go off from social media in terms of WhatsApp and Instagram. You don't need to be seeing who died, RIP, don't. You are not, like, just recover. Leave the whole WhatsApp thingy, because it's a whole mental game. I'll tell you that for free. And for people that lost people due to COVID-19, guys, I don't even know what to say, but all I'm saying, God loves you. God loves whoever you have lost. God loves you, and you'll be okay. Have faith. Your faith will carry you through this time. Yeah. And then fast forward, jiggy, I moved out of my dad's house. I'm currently living alone. Not alone, because I have a housemate now. But I'm currently living on my own and just growing up with regards to every single thing. I'm just being a grown girl, mature, don't doing my own thing. And that's about it. School is nonsense. I'll tell you that one for free. You don't even need to pay me on that. And then jiggy, my mom tested positive for COVID in July. Yeah, in July. I thought I was going to lose my mom. I was ready to lose my mind. I'll tell you that for free as well. My mom had COVID. My mom had it worse as well. I feel like my mom was even worse than my dad's, eh? I've never prayed that much in my life. I've never prayed that much. I remember just praying for my mom every single day for 7 days straight. I told God, you know what? Forget about me. I'm good, bruh. Just check my mom. I'm saying bruh because bruh, God is my bruh. He's my father. He's my refuge. He's the reason why I wake up. He's the reason why I'm even sitting here. He's the reason why I always find hope. He's my faith. He's my pillar of strength. I trust in him more than I trust in anyone on earth. because I know I can go to bed tonight, sleep while I have the worst problem that I don't even know how to get out of, but I can wake up tomorrow, rest assured that God has made a way and that He's figured things out for me, or He has given me an idea. I can trust God with my life. I'll tell that for free. So yeah, I've just had that. I've also been in something that was relay menship as in menship, hey, because it was really, I won't lie, hey, that guy might be watching this video one day and being like, what are you even saying? I did this and that and don't. Your deed was not enough for my want. I'm telling you that for free, eh? Tell you that for free. Firstly, I always felt like I didn't need someone. Like, if you ask my friends, I first of all would always say, like, I don't want someone that's always available and whatnot and what. Still keeping to that, but I just need you to have a tidbit of time, eh? Because I was talking to this person that was like very busy, and I didn't know it would annoy me until a later stage. But I don't think that was even annoying. It was just, men must listen, baby. Listen to me. I'm the boss. If you do what I say, this relationship will go well. And I was just not getting that. And you know, one thing about Vambu men, they are like Zulu men. They want to be stubborn. And please, this one jealous, you see, to date. I don't know if you guys use the same definition for dating. Dating for me is going on dates with different kinds of people. Not that it's any sensual or sexual whatever. It's more just you going out on dates, going to restaurants, hanging out with someone just to learn, you know, and see if they are what you want or not. I will do a house tour to show you guys. Yo, I've lost the footage of how this house looked like a ghost town. Eh? I'll show you guys a house tour. And guys, don't be creepy about things, eh? If I do that, eh? Don't be creepy, eh? And then I will also do a try on haul, because I feel like I've got very cute outfits in my closet that need to be seen. And also, I'm moving into the other room. Remember the room that I cleaned the other time when that video where I'm cleaning my room? I'm moving to the other room, but I'm not moving there until my mom puts in cupboards there, because I know if I move there now, my mom will be like, that's how Clone Stories it common equality. But I'll just buy paint now from my own money. That is, of course, I'll buy paint and all those other nice things that I want to showcase in that room. And also, I'll take you guys along as I, do my whole house, buy new thingies. If I buy a new thingy, then I'll vlog that, just to take you guys along on the journey, because I did really want to take you guys along on the journey, but situations en omstandighede dit net nie getoelaat het, kom ek sê dit maar net so. Maar ek is baie dankbaar vir alles. Ek is dankbaar vir lewe. Ek is dankbaar vir die opportunity. Many children or many people would love to be in a situation that I'm in right now, or in a space where I'm in right now. So I don't want to sound ungrateful for what I have. I will forever be grateful to my parents, especially my mom, for most of these things. Some of these things are from my mom. That's why I'm like, I'm going to thank my mom. That is my G. I love her more than I love myself. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update before I start taking off rocket way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, comment down below. That is it from me. My nails are ashy, hey, and I never come on YouTube with ashy nails. Goodbye, loves. And also, my dogs have been bugging. I don't own a dog. Let me be honest. These dogs are just ghetto. They like to make a noise. I don't even own one. And our location is very echo buying hier waar ek is. Maar ja, dankie vir alles. Baie almal. Remain cute and whatever. Hot girl summer. That's about it. And that's that on that. Also, I'll leave my Instagram boutique here so you guys can go check out. I have a lot of cute things in store for you guys to shop. It's December, baby girl. We are doing all those hot girl things. So bye.